Still alive?
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, whoa.
Hi, I'm Philia and I live in Bruges, and we're gonna show you guys what to do here as locals.
A must visit is the torture museum. Something.
It's sunny today, and we are going to the concert building.
That's one
Yeah,
there.
that big one there.
Oh, nice. Arrived at Blackbird for brunch. Hallo. Ja, inderdaad. Now we go to the place where nuns actually still live. You have to be a bit quiet here. But in spring you have a lot of tulips growing here. No, it's not tulips. Yellow flowers. All here in between the trees, it's full of flowers everywhere. Yeah. We're at het Minnewaterpark, Lake of Love Park. And this bridge, when you cross this bridge, apparently you need to kiss and then you will stay together forever. And who are we? We're not taking any chances, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. While crossing. Mine is already destroyed a bit. So everywhere in Bruges you find like these shells and they show the way to Santiago de Compostela for the Pilgrim routes. Alright. een middel met Andalusië. God damn.
Yeah.
First bite.
Good.
Still alive?
Oh my god.
Endless stairs.
What was that?
No,
Halfway, no. Halfway. It's very narrow.
I can see that. 366. Here, there. Arrived. Ah. Okay, this is pretty. This is not a drone shot. Hey. The beer wall. The beer wall, which is a wall with beer.